We're back at it again with some more Black Myth Wukong. Last time, we got our ass beat by the Tiger Vanguard, man. We really got our ass beat by the Tiger Vanguard. But today, we're gonna beat that guy. We're gonna beat Tiger Vanguard and actually advance to the story because I am stuck on this guy. Someone help me. I've realized that I have not been using heavy attacks enough. Someone pointed that out in the comments. Thank you very much. I will start using that. I didn't know how to start using that, to be honest, until like halfway through the last episode. So we'll see. We'll see if that will help us this time. No! Fuck, man. He's so hard, man. Pause. Fuck, man. This guy's tough. This guy's definitely tough. Maybe I just suck. Maybe I just suck at this game.
You suck ass.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Monkey brain could be a
Oh, man. Oh my god, this Tiger Vanguard, bro. I swear to God, I'm gonna beat you this time. told you I would beat your fucking ass. I told you. I told you. Yeah. DJ No Head back at it again. Ah, yeah, hitting hard, hey, yeah. Oh! Did I get a new spell?
This body of yours is perfect for the art of rock solid.
Oh, you know I'm always rock solid, baby. Let's go! Let's fucking go. Oh my god. Okay, we finally fucking beat that motherfucker. Holy shit. Keenness of Tiger. What the hell do I do with that? Oh my god. This guy has a voice of an angel. Voice of an angel right here. Actually, we should go back to the other area first. Where we keep moving forward. I haven't crossed that bridge yet. We should go back there. What the hell is over here? It's like making my game lag. Oh, what the hell is that thing? I think it looks disgusting. Is that a mini boss? Fuck. Oh! Ew. Where are you? Oh god, you're disgusting, man. He looks like a pimple. Oh, ew, Fright Cliff. That thing is frightful indeed. Look at it. It looks like it's about to pop. Let's pop it. Oh, what the hell are you? Whoa, ew. Ow. Damn, I didn't know you were gonna attack like that. What the hell is that? What the hell did I just get? Buddha's eyeball? What the fuck? I just grabbed Buddha's eyeball? Ew, that's kind of gross. What the hell? Oh, wait. I had the cloud step on, not the rock solid. More of Buddha's eyeballs. Oh. What the hell? Man, these creatures really are disgusting though. I'm not really sure what the Buddha's eyeballs are for, I'm not gonna lie to you, but I'm collecting all of them. I'm collecting eyeballs now. Alright, where do we go now? There's like so many places to go. So many places, so many adventures. Ow! What the fuck? Where did you come from? Ow! Okay, there's a lot here. There's a lot going on here, buddy. I'm not prepared for that. I'm poisoned as well. Oh my god, what the fuck is going on? Ow. You guys fucking suck, man. Oh my god, there's another one too? Ow! God, you guys suck, man. Why are you all ganging up on me? Ow! What is wrong with you? Why are you shooting me but they're all ganging up on me already? Alright, let's... Oh, another Buddha's eyes! Hum. Ow! What the fuck? What the fuck was that shit? Yes! Ooh, level 30. What boss am I fighting here? Huh? I know this is... Ooh, a Stone Vanguard now! Fuck! Wait! Before you do anything... Oh my god! No! Fuck, man, I was so close, man. That guy's not too hard, though. Not nearly as tough as Tiger Vanguard, but... Fuck, man. I could have just beaten him if I wasn't too fucking greedy. Ow! Come on now! No! That was too early, man. He does it so late. He does that rock thing smash so late, man. I can't read it. I'm so close. So close. So close.
Surprise, motherfucker.
Let's go! I guess you're not as hard as you thought you were. Ah! Alright, any reward here I can fucking claim and shit? Let's go! New drip! Look at us! New drip! The hell is going on over there? Just a flower. Oh! You're not a flower. Ow. Oh, what the hell? What? Oh! What the hell was that? Blood of the Iron Bull. Let's meditate. Let's look at this disgusting scenery. Shit looks like Detroit, but we're gonna meditate anyway. Ah, very peaceful. Oh. Rat governor. Oh, it's back! He's back! DJ No Head!
Easy, easy.
The hell is he? Is he scratching his armpits? Did he just scratch his armpits? Am I gonna grab his armpit hair? What the hell?
This
Ew.
fits you grandly. Hey, luckily I've kept it close for its rightful owner.
How the hell did you get to this universe? A pluck of many. Blowing strands into the air, it creates duplicates to assist in combat. Yes! What? Maybe I should have gone to this area first before I went to Tiger Vanguard. Don't know what the hell he's talking about, but he's bopping. Definitely bopping. Don't tell me it's Tiger Vanguard again. Okay, you know what? We're gonna go... Fuck. It's gonna be Tiger Vanguard again. Yellow wind formation. Okay, we'll come back to this area because I don't know what the fuck is in there.
Good choice, good choice.
Oh. Who the hell are you?
Where's my
Tiger's acolyte.
I can't find it.
Ow. I can't use talisman. Ow! What the hell? You can fall? I didn't know you can fall. Hello, sir. Where's your son? I don't fucking know. Do I look like Amber Alert? Holy shit, I almost fell again. Oh shit! No, I can't leave. I gotta fight him on the bridge. It looks like. Oh my god! Oh my god! That's a cheat code! What the fuck? Yo, what? What? Yo, that spell is a cheat code. There is no way. What the fuck is that? $120 points though, that's big. And 120 seconds of cooldown. Which is fair, because that shit is fucked. What the hell was that? The amount of damage I was doing to that guy was crazy. Oh, what the hell are you? Ew, you look disgusting. Out of here. Oh! Ew! The Gore-Eye Taoist. Oh my god, that took away half of the life of the wolf guy. I got poisoned too. Oh wait. Oh my god, that was a lot of damage still. Oh, ew! Ew! The hell was that? You know what? Ow. Jump him! Yeah, jump his ass! Jump his ass! Yeah! Yo, that shit is fucking nuts, man! Let's go! Blood of the Iron Bull. I can also absorb that guy? What does he do? Gore-Eye Taoist. What does he do? Take the form of Gore-Eye Taoist, who wields a staff topped with a toad whose eyes emit a crimson glow. Stay within the glow and your attack will be enhanced. What? The staff vanishes on its own after a while. Oh, it increases damage? Fuck yeah, let's equip that shit. Oh, damn. I didn't even see that rat statue. Is there any other thing here? Where does this go? Oh! That's another boss fight. I think we're gonna have to leave that for the next episode. But anyways, this has been a long one though. This has been a long one. We fought a few bosses and mini bosses. I think we can call it a night. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace. Later.